up, YouTube? Yeah, you saw the title. I want to apologize. To my subscribers, the ones that stayed with me. I know I lost a few, and that's because I haven't been posting in a while. And as you all know, we just had this huge bike weekend in late January, the Ghost Fastlane D event. The Ghost Fastlane D event, and then also the ZX10 Mez and Rafa, which included me, event, all in the same weekend, different days. You know, I helped set up the venues, and you know, where we was gonna hold the meets and also the rides to the events. That was all done by me, and we had a fun time. I know you guys follow a lot of those guys: Fastlane D, ZX10 Mez, Ghost, Rafa, Fast Flow, Shalina, Blondie Motovlogs, Jixabra, Brian 636. So many content creators showed up. I know you follow those guys, and I know you've seen their videos. I even got DMs saying, man, I can't wait to see your video, I can't wait to see your video. And I have to say, as of right now, I'm not going to be able to post those videos. I lost my SD card. I misplaced it somewhere. Some video was able to download to the cloud once I opened it, but not enough. So if I do post anything, it'll be what I can with the downloads that I did get, plus some footage that I received from 826 Media. But if you've seen this video, you haven't seen that video yet, that I'm probably not gonna post it, because I just don't like how everything is coming out, because I don't have everything to link together. He did a little rev. He wanted me to do a rev, and then he came out and did his rev. Poppin', baby. Connected with another biker here, the G310 BMW. We got another one right here, 650 K, yeah, KLR. They just sneaking up on me, man. Fuel light is blinking. It is a beautiful day here in South Florida. Right now we're in Hollywood Beach, Florida. You can't see the beach because you got all these high rises right here, but the beach is right on the other side over there. But it's a beautiful day, man. Beautiful day for riding and getting out and just getting some content for you guys, man. On my left, you got the intercoastal with all the nice little ships, but they're not like luxury ships. These are like businesses and everything. But I gotta find some fuel.
Calling all units A211 at 675 Main. Backup needed.
Backup needed immediately.
You on my mind a lot. Don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen. Make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in. From the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up. Break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child. Then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2 we don't need no pause. You can't Misty, we gon' get tipsy. Don't need a power shot.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel.
Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Get us every day. Got my heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Get us every day. This sound like Argentina. Had to fist my demeanor. No, they don't want me breathing. Still I rose like Gandhi. Got on 3 Jesus pieces, looking like Jay-Z and Yeezy. So far from conceited, but how can I be defeated? I hate it, turn my wrist on like I'm Ben 10. Rappers think they doing something, I'm not a fan. I told my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bed, now I got no friends.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Got my heart no.
Heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Get us every day. Got my heart no. Heart no in the bed. Break you in then. Get us every day.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel. Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real. The plastic bars tryna copy my steel.
Feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my shit.
Remember when I told you guys I can't rip it? This is why. As you know, that's the front tire, so we don't want to take any chances with that.